Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students, I welcome you to the class which is arranged by ANSI Institute of Management Science, Mardan. That is an approved study center of Sarhad University of Sciences and Information, Peshawar. My name is Muhammad Rafiuddin. Today is 23rd June 2020 and your program is B.Ed first semester is spring to 2020. The subject which we are going to discuss, and that is human development and learning. Subject code is EDU316. Chapter number, definitely this is an orientation class, so we have course review here only. Okay, we move to the timetable, and here in the timetable you can see that your class will be at 12 noon till 1 p.m. sharp. Okay, we have two classes on Tuesday and one class I have with you on Monday. So in a week we have three classes. My name is Muhammad Rafiuddin. Okay, and write down the Gmail address with yourselves, that it will help you a lot in the coming time. Rafiuddin@gmail.com, as well as the WhatsApp number for your question answer sessions. And if you are having any problem relevant to B.Ed course or relevant to any problem which is related to education, you can ask me. 0333-850-8312. This is week number 1. Today we will discuss these 6 points, and the first point is procedure of the class, how we will conduct the classes. The second one is objectives of course. Third one is overview of the course outline, and the fourth I will share with you the links from where you can download e-books. The fifth topic which we will discuss, the area which we will discuss, that is suggested books from the university, as well as number 6 is Urdu guides which you can get from the market. Okay, the procedure of the class. Due to COVID-19, the government has banned on face-to-face classes. Due to that, the universities, HEC, instructed the affiliated colleges that you have to arrange classes online. So this class is just like that. We are trying our best to provide you with the technology, the classes, the access to you, that you may access to education easily from your home. So this is now education on your fingertip. Okay, the second thing is that it will be a new experience for you people, for all the students. Some of the students may have been connected, or they may have been familiar with online classes, but majority of the students, as we have the scenario, so majority of the students, they are not that much familiar with this one. So it will be a very good new experience for you people. You will get notes here, and we will administer quizzes here also. Okay, according to timetable, you have to go to the ANSI YouTube channel and watch the video there. That is for your betterment. The second thing is that you should be present, you should be attentive and watch the video, because at the end of each class we will have 15 minutes for question answer session. You can ask the questions, you can put the questions through WhatsApp, voice, or SMS, or phone calls. It's up to you. Okay, the sixth thing is that in each class at the end we will administer a quiz, and you will have 15 minutes to reply to that quiz, or you have to answer that quiz. Okay, and that is I think so that is very important for you people. It's a new experience, as well as it will keep you a bit attentive, alert toward the class, and you will learn a little bit more than that. Number 7, that is taking quiz. So you will take the quiz, and the quiz is very good for you, because this will also show your attendance during the classes. We can say that is your class participation. Okay. Number 8, you will be assigned assignments when needed, at least one assignment and maybe 2 assignments through the semester. But one thing is there, that written assignment you have to submit back. Okay, when we give you assignment, so you have to write the assignment and you have to submit the assignment. That is mandatory. The 9th thing is that if there are some new instruction from the university or from HEC side, or if they allow us to have face-to-face classes, then inshallah we will be there in the classroom. Face-to-face we will have the classes, but till that time we have to carry on through this procedure. Okay, this is human development and learning. Code is EDU316. What actually it has in this course? The course is very, I will say that is very important for every teacher. Not even for every teacher, for every parent as well as, because in this course you can come to know a lot of things like what are the development in the area of physical, social, emotional, moral, cognitive in a human being, and at which level, with which age, what he have or she have. So once you understand these things, then you can handle the human being very easily, being a teacher, being a parent. Human development and learning are complex and interrelated phenomena embedded in genetic, social, historical, and cultural factors that shape the course of learning and development and linked to individual overall success, achievement, productivity, and thriving. This course equips students with the skills and knowledge to understand how diversely individuals learn and how learning is proportional to the key areas such as cognition, behaviorism, identity, and language. Okay, this course, it will help you a lot. It will help you a lot in your practical life when you become a teacher. So you will be able to handle the classes very easily. If you study accordingly, if you focus on this course, it will give you a lot. It's very interesting course. Okay, actually this is about human being. This is about you. This is about your student. This is about your youngster brothers and sisters. This is about whoever comes under your umbrella as a your youngster. Okay, so you can learn here a lot, and it will help you a lot. Objectives of the course. This is identified the types of psychological questions a teacher can ask and problems he/she attempts to resolve. That is in the classroom. You will be able to do that one. Understand the development of child from birth to adolescence. Majority of the students which we are having at school level up to higher secondary school, so they their age varies from 3-4 years up to higher secondary level. Then that is up to 18-19. So that is adolescence age. Explore the development of human learning and factors influencing learning. What are the things that can affect learning? Okay. The other one is utilize the concept of developmental stages in general educational setups. When you know those things, so the stages, so you will be able to handle all the problems which the students are having. Okay. Now coming to the first unit, we are having psychology. What is the meaning of psychology? What is the nature of psychology? Then in the second topic we will discuss branches of psychology. Many branches are there, more than 30-40 branches are there, but at least we will discuss 20 branches of them. Number 3 is method of education psychology. Okay, how psychology works, whether that is scientific or not. So we will discuss that one in the method in detail. We will discuss inshallah in the coming class. Unit number 2, that will be child as a developing organism. Okay, child as a developing organism. So there we will discuss growth and development. What is growth? What is development? Then in the second phase we will discuss emotional development, then social development, then physical development, intellectual development, and number 6 is implication of developmental psychology in education. How we implement that one and how we get benefits from that psychology in education area. Unit number 3, learning, meaning and definition. Okay, learning. What is learning? What is the meaning of learning? What is the definition of learning? Then what is the characteristics and process of learning? Okay, what are the factors affecting learning and transfer of learning, how it occur? Unit number 4, that is approaches of learning. Okay, we are having many approaches. Some of them are their behavioral approach, cognitive and social, humanistic approach. We will discuss these and we will share with each other the information in detail. Unit number 5, learning theories and their impact on education is there. Trial and error theory is there. Conditioning theory is there. Piaget theory is there. Gestalt field theory is there. Implication in education. All these 4 theories, they have been implemented in the education. So where we have implemented, where we are using them, we will discuss that one. Unit number 6, that is very important, and that is about motivation. What is the nature of motivation? What are the characteristics of motivation? What is the function actually of the motivation? And how many types we are having of motivation? Factors and techniques related to motivation in classroom. How you will handle your students and how you will motivate your students. These things you will learn in this class. Number 4, that is Maslow theory of motivation. That is very important, very famous theory. It has around about 6 stages, and we will discuss that in detail. That is a pyramid of human needs. So we can it will help you a lot in other fields as well, as not only in the psychology. Maslow theory of motivation, that is also relevant to the marketing MBA level courses also. Okay, number 7 we are going to discuss intelligence. So intelligence definition will be there, intelligence nature will be there, then the role of heredity and environment, whether the child is affected by heredity or environment, or by both. Okay, so we will discuss that one. Number 3, that is assessment of intelligence, how we can assess the intelligence, and we are having tests for that. One is individual test, and the other one is group test. Okay, 7.4, that is concept of IQ, what is intelligent quotient, and 7.5, that is theory of intelligence. We will discuss theories relevant to intelligence. Number 8 unit, that is very important also, and that is individual differences. Okay, number 1, importance of individual differences. Number 2, different kinds of children and their characteristics. And number 3, dealing with individual differences in classroom. Whenever you are going to the classroom, so you will have different kinds of students, and how you will handle that, you will learn here a lot. Number 4, teaching according to individual differences, how you will teach them according to their individual differences. And that is the course outline, 8 units that comprises. Okay, we will discuss inshallah, and in the coming 14-15 classes we will complete the course. I will try my best to facilitate you as much as I can. You are free to ask questions if you are having any problem. This class I am just making it in English, otherwise all the classes I am having that in Urdu mix. Sometime I switch off to English, sometime I switch off to Urdu, but one of the students, he asked me that, sir, please teach us in English. But I know that in English it will be a little bit difficult for some students, not for all the students, for some students to understand. But actually that is orientation class, so let me see what will be your responses. If you like that in English, so I will teach in English. If you like it in Urdu, so then definitely majority is authority in your classroom, and we have to keep this individual differences as well as in the mind. So we will give another channel to those students who are not able to pick us when we are having in the classroom diversity. Okay, here the links for PDF books are available. What you have to do, you have to go to the Google, and you have to Google AIOU. Then this page will come, this first page. When you see this page, then enter it, and you will go to the main page. In the main page, links, and in the links AIOU library. After that, when you click that one, you will come to this page, and here important links. At the bottom you will find AIOU books. Click on it and you will come to this page. This is soft books program. You have to select and submit whatever program you select. I selected here, the programs are here, B.Ed, B.S, whatever, from matric up to PhD level. Different courses are there, a lot of books are there, very interesting books are there, and very informative books are there. So you can get, I clicked on B.Ed, so soft books are for B.Ed. Here I have a list, but the list is more than that due to slides I snapshotted. Okay, then you can download. If you click on the arrow down, you will download. You can write for yourself the course code, book name. It will help you a lot. Suggested books from university side, that is Creswell Thomas. 5 books are there. You can get any of them for your. That is number 4 is Khatak Ibrahim, that is Ibrahim Khatak, Peshawar, that is available very easily, the book. And the other one is Raza, KK Raza, that is also available very easily. Okay, but it is not that you may just limit yourself to these. From wherever you get information, material, content relevant to your outline, you can put here and you can write in your papers, and you will be able to pass outstandingly. Okay, those books, those students who are interested in Urdu and they decided to take the exam in Urdu, so I suggest them these 2 guides. One is from Al Rayhan publication, the guide name will be Sahar Guide. The other one is from Jidran Book House, the guide name will be Nayab Guide. So you can get these from the shops, especially from Mardan. There Azim Bookseller is there, so he has a variety and he do concession with students also. Whenever you go, so give reference, my reference, so inshallah you will get more discount as compared from the other stores. Okay, I tried my best to facilitate you. Any question, if you have any question if it arise in your mind relevant to this course, relevant to your education field, you can ask me. My WhatsApp number is there, and I think so it's enough for today. Inshallah, in the next class we will start from unit number 1. So I suggest that you should get books for yourselves, download books for yourself, study a bit, that you may know a bit about that. So when we will take class, it will be very easy for you people to understand it easily and to overcome the course. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.